In a world warming past its limits, with less than 10 gigaton of CO2 being removed every year, yet global emissions exceed 52 gigaton annually. At this rate, we overshoot 2 degrees Celsius long before 2050. Now imagine reversing that. Imagine removing all 52 gigaton directly from the source, the ocean. SnowPanel Lighthouse Towers do just that. Each tower deploys 4 centrifugal mist pumps, designed for sub-zero polar conditions, drawing in deep CO2-rich seawater and releasing it as ultrafine, ice-nucleated mist. As the mist descends and cools, it crystallizes into snow and ice. Across 84 SnowPanel Lighthouse Towers, this system processes 1,348 gigatons of polar seawater per year, removes 52 gigaton of CO2, and generates 772 gigaton of new artificial snow and ice annually. It not only removes the emissions, it rebuilds the cryosphere, restoring planetary albedo, thickening polar sea ice, slowing the melt, cooling the planet. Combined, this system delivers up to 0.1 degrees Celsius cooling per year, reversing planetary heating within a single decade. 1 decade. 84 SnowPanel Lighthouse Towers. One planet to restore. With carbon markets now valuing verified CO2 removal at $1,200 per ton, each lighthouse tower has the potential to earn $62 billion per year in premium carbon credits. That's over $5 trillion per year across full-scale deployment. And SnowPanel is ready to deliver. SnowPanel is now seeking institutional climate partnerships, treaty-level recognition, and global investment to fast-track deployment. From the deep oceans to the icy skies, SnowPanel transforms seawater into snow and carbon into a climate solution. 84 lighthouse towers, 1 planet, and the time is now. This is not just an idea. This isn't theoretical. It's engineered, it's measurable, it's deployable. 84 SnowPanel Lighthouse Towers, 1 planetary scale response, 1 decade to restore. SnowPanel. Science you can stand on.